Hey there, what do we need to hear today? Let's check out today's card. Let it be complicated. We love to simplify stories, situations, and people into good or bad, happy or sad, organizing them like we were shelving books at the library. It's not that simple, and that's good news. Categorization is great when you're working with the Dewey Decimal System, and not so great when you're talking about people, about life. Today, resist the urge to sort and categorize. Let things and people be who they are, even if you think they're the worst. Alrighty, what else do we need to hear today? I may be a problem, but if you're lucky, I could be your problem. The nonsense in me sees the nonsense in you. Take a look at that old life, that old identity, that old way. Grieve it, then release it. It's time to let it go. There's a new you waiting. We have a choice. I let my worries go so I can be here for the blessings that surround me now. You're ready when you decide to be, not when you feel like it. The right doors won't open for you until you are the version of yourself that's supposed to walk through them. I don't like it when people are outside when I'm trying to parallel park. I need some privacy. Oh, yes. I am awake, but please respect my privacy during this difficult time. At least let me get some coffee. Today's mantra: don't sweat the petty things and don't pet the sweaty things. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.